Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and what we have here in its natural habitat in the wild is a Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Fresh off the whaler truck, let's hop on board and have some fun. Follow me over here. Before we hop on board, we spec this boat out with maximum horsepower. We got the twin V6, 225 horsepower Mercury 4-strokes. Went with the 225s over the 200s. That extra 50 horsepower does make a difference. This model is going to be a little bit more of a Fishy Edition. Why do I say that? Back here we have our rod holders. We have a second live well, really nice big live well back there, which really complements nicely the main live well here on the leaning bridge. We're also going to have two index fish boxes right here. Keep everything nice and cold. They are hooked up to a macerator pump too, so they can pump out everything at the end of the day when you're done. While this boat is a fishing machine, as you see on all the whalers, we have a nice seat back here when the family's on. You guys watching might have noticed that on a lot of our videos, some of these boats don't have electronics. So the reason we do that is because when you buy the boat, you can choose what you're going to want, and you might need to wait a little bit. This is not the case here. We're ready to go with active trim already installed, Mercury vessel view, have our Marine screen right here. You can take delivery of this boat and be fishing the next day. Obviously, with this being a whaler, we're going to have a oversized head down in the center console. Nice place to get out of the sun. Of course, moving up on the bow, we have another cooler underneath this front seat. Keep those drinks nice and cold, nice and crispy. More bow seating right here, and what are these two poles? This boat is equipped with a bow sunshade, hooks up on the T-top right there, and you can keep those rays off you. So once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and this is a Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Come on down and let's take this rocket ship out for a ride. Bye guys.